PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here, and we'll take a look at it from July 5th, and I'll walk you through the whole wave count over here and what the price action has been doing. We currently have a wave 1, a wave 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the upside. So we could call this our wave 1, right? That would be, we can consider that our macro wave 1 to the upside. And then after these 5 waves completed, we went into an ABC correction. So you have a 3 down in your A 3 down in your B, or a 3 up in your B, sweeping these weekly highs, and then you have a waterfall move down in the form of a 5-wave move for your C wave, right? When we zoom in here on the 30-minute time frame, this is your leading diagonal for your wave 1, come up for a very sharp wave 2, you have a wave 3 down, and then you chop within this rising wedge for your wave 4, and then we go ahead and start our next 5 waves to the downside. Okay, don't forget that XRP is still trending down on the short in the short term, and that, like I said in my previous video, we would likely see a push up towards these retracements sitting at around 0.54, 0.55 region before seeing the turn down from there. Now, what it looks like is that we're almost done this correction over here before we can have fireworks, right? So this looks like we're in wave 2 of our wave 5 of our C wave to the downside. And then once we wick down here to 0.43 to 0.45, then it's likely we'll either see a ABC correction from there or an impulsive move up out of this macro range. Okay, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to dollar cost average very heavily down over here, down within this region, or all the way down here as we come down. Okay, so what you'd want to be looking out for going forward is a little bit of a push upwards towards this 786, towards this region over here. And then you'd want to see how the price reacts off this level over here, because if we get above this 786 at 0.5494, then it's likely we'll see continuation up towards 60 to 62 cent. But if we can't get above it, then it's likely this move over here would be a fake out, and then we come down for your wave 2 of 5. Okay? So remember, 0.5429 to 0.5494 is the area I'm looking at in order to look for short opportunities. Okay? All right, this is your wave 1. I'll make the lines thicker so you guys can see a little bit better. And then this is your WXY for your wave 2. The only thing is that I think there's one more push up here that is still on the cards, right? Because you have your ABC, you have your ABC, and then this looks like a AB, and then this is your C wave, and then within your C wave you have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, something like that. So 0.5494 is where you'd want to be looking out for short opportunities. But if the price gets above that level on the 4-hour time frame, then it's likely will come up towards the higher retracements, likely sitting around 60 to 62 cent before we see the turn down from there. But ultimately, I do expect this level to get hit, sitting at 0.45 to 0.43. Now, there is a possibility that if we do end up coming up here at 60 to 62 cent and then get above 62 cent, then this over here is the bottom, and then we go in for the full breakout. And this sweep over here of your equal low sell side liquidity was sufficient enough to cause a full breakout. But remember, we're still under key resistance and we are still trending down in the short term. So definitely be cautious and be positioned both ways so you're not blindsided by uh, any volatile movement. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you want to stay updated with this analysis, then definitely click the link in the description below. I may not be able to update on YouTube for a bit on XRP. So if you guys want to stay updated regularly, then definitely join the Discord. Click the link in the description below. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.